Hello friends, welcome back to my channel with another video on key card with contactor and load. So I will demonstrate in this video the connection of key card with the contactor. Normally this key card is using in the hotels. In my previous video I already explained. Now this video I do the simple and easiest way so you can understand the connections. If you are working in the hotel or you are a technician in the hotel, if you don't know how to install this key card, or even you want to install in your room, how you can do the connection by using this key card with the contactor, because contactor is giving the load supply or any heavy load to control. So we just give the supply to key card and then contactor. After that we give any load from the output of this contactor. So everything you can see in this video. Before we continue, if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new update. So let's begin our topic. So this one is incoming 220 volt, for example I am using here. So here you can see the connection also written line in, line out, and then neutral. So line in and neutral is giving supply to this key card to on the supply, and then this one is the output of this supply. When we insert the card, it will give the supply on this point. So we insert first the line in and then line out. Then neutral, I take here the another one cable looping, because we are using in the contactor. So I take here neutral is looping for the contactor. Then this green cable I using for the output. So this one is the output neutral and phase. Then incoming is this one. Now we understand this contactor connection. Normally contactor to on the coil A1 and A2 is for the supply, and then this one A2 is for the looping. For example this one A2 directly come here for the looping. For example we use for the neutral A2, we can take out here the neutral, and then this one you can use for the contact. Any point you give here, you take out output from here. Once the supply in here, this magnetic contactor automatically go inside, the magnet will push inside, and then these 4 points automatically give supply output here. Once we give here the supply output, we take from there. So we understand the connection. Now we do the connection first. So A1 I am using for the live. Then A2 I am using for the neutral. So now you must understand the connection. Input 220 volt come here, and then output this two cable A1 A2 for the contactor. Now we find out this two cable for the supply. So what we need to do, we take the neutral for the load from here A2 bypass. For example I take here. Then for output I use this second point for the contactor, and then load. So this one is the live, this one is neutral. Now for the giving this supply, we loop from one cable here to this point. So I open this one and then loop here the second point, because we take from the second point. Now we must understand the connection. So this one is the input, and then output from key card go to A1 A2, and then this one is the load. We take bypass phase live from this incoming, and then this one is the output for the load, and then A2 we take the neutral for this load. So if we insert the key card once we are in the hotel, so you can see once we insert the card, the contactor go inside magnetic contact and then giving supply to this light. And then if we take out after 10 seconds, it will automatically contactor will off, so supply will off. If you after 10 seconds you see if this key card not giving supply to this contactor will automatically off. If we insert again the card, you see the contactor is working perfectly, and then our load is working perfectly. So that is the easiest way you can connection for the load with the key card in Contactor. So if you have any question, comment below, so I will 100% reply the comments. It's very simple connection. If you still cannot understand, you can write in the comment below, so I can give you the more guidelines. So hope this video is going to helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget thumbs up, please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new updates. So let's see you in the next video with the new tips, new tricks. Thank you.